So here we are. We are back in the shed. I think this is the first time I've been in the shed this year because I've found Advent calendar, which wasn't even completed. So there you go. But we are looking at our fave celebs. We continue as we go into the new year. And I thought, well, let's sort of go back to the shed, because we did do some episodes just before Christmas here in the shed. This is basically, it's been taken over by the cats, hence the cat tree. But the cats aren't here, they're in the house because it's just too cold for them. But I'm here. Doesn't seem too bad, although I do have several jackets on. But anyway, we've got electricity, which is a good thing. So we do have some lights, and you know, I've got my lights, I've got my phone. I can read you the information. I wanted to talk about Azzi Fudd, okay? And the title, Splash Sister with a Curry Connection. Sounds very mysterious. And we got this from Grok. Azzi Fudd earned the nickname Splash Sister. I didn't know this, by the way. After attending Steph Curry's elite basketball camp, I mean, totally makes sense, and maintaining a close mentorship with the NBA legend. So that does make sense. Their ongoing relationship has helped shape her sharp shooting style, alliteration, making her one of the most promising guards in women's college basketball. So if you ever wanted to know why she was called Splash Sister, hopefully now you know.